Okay, question 4. Here's a box attached to a parachute following a constant velocity. State the name of the constant velocity, 1 mark, very straightforward, terminal velocity. Okay, part B, explain in terms of the forces why the box and parachute fall at constant velocity. Okay, so this is a 4 marker, so we're looking to say 4 things in our answer. Okay, now the way that I would like to think about it is, first of all, just think about what forces are acting on the box. We've got the weight acting downwards, and we've got the air resistance acting upwards. Now you can see from the length of the arrows that I've drawn that those 2 forces are the same size as each other. And in physics, when we've got 2 forces that are equal and opposite to each other, we say that the forces are balanced. And another way of saying that the forces are balanced is that the resultant force, that's the total force when you add up all the forces acting on an object, is 0. Now you can see that I've written that squiggle there, that's sigma, okay, which is the sum of all of the forces. So all that's saying is if you add up all the forces, the total is 0. But sigma F is part of Newton's second law. Newton's second law says that the resultant force is equal to m, the mass, times a, the acceleration. And that means that if the resultant force is 0, then the acceleration of the object must be 0. And the last bit of the puzzle is that if the acceleration is 0, then that means that the velocity must be constant. The velocity is not changing. Okay, then I go back and do the idiot check. Have I said 4 things? Well, I've got 4 bullet points, and I've also got I've labelled those forces there. I've named those forces. So there's actually more than 4 ways that you can get the marks here. There's 6 possible ways that you can get the marks, and all you've got to do is do any 4 of them.